Top 5 Best Electric Mountain Bike. Number 5. ANCHEER 27.5 inches Best Electric Hybrid Bike. Hybrid bikes bridge the gap between standard bikes and mountain bikes. Add some electricity to the mix, and the result is an e-bike that can tackle almost every terrain. The best on the market is ANCHEER's 27.5 inches. With great styling and an integrated battery, it's a bike that's not intimidating for beginners with a variety of driving modes. It boasts a 30 miles range when used in assist mode. The hybrid nature of the bike means its brakes are incredibly responsive, and it's a smooth and balanced bike to ride on long distances. ANCHEER's 27.5 inches looks almost indistinguishable from non-powered counterparts, making it the perfect choice for anyone who would prefer to ride a more understated vehicle. It features one of the best LCD displays with an upgraded panel for more readability while riding. Its inbuilt technology makes climbing hills an easy task, and the motor will cancel out any wind resistance when pedaling into a strong headwind. It reaches a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour and remains relatively easy to cycle once the battery runs out thanks to its lightweight frame. Coming in number 4. ECOTRIC 26 inches Best Beach Electric Bike. Another winner in the fat tires category, the ECOTRIC 26 inches is our favorite electric bike to ride on the beach or any other sandy surface. With its powerful 500 watts electric motor and extra-large tires, the ECOTRIC 26 inches is easy to ride on the road too if you want. It's a great all-weather bike that can be used even throughout the winter in snowy conditions. Make sure to pull on extra layers to keep you warm, however, as you might get cold driving at 20 miles per hour on pure electric power. On the handlebar, you'll find an extra-large display to show your speed and the mode in which you're engaged. You can easily switch between the 3 different assist mode with a dedicated button on the left. Coming in number 3. ANCHEER Folding Electric Commuter. Another excellent offering from best-selling electric bike brand ANCHEER, the folding electric commuter is an amazing value for money. It offers all the essentials features you would expect from an expensive electric bike but at a fraction of the price. You wouldn't know it's the cheapest electric bike on our list by just looking at it. First, you can buy with confidence knowing that the ANCHEER brand is the top-rated bicycle brand on Amazon. Reviewed by thousands of cyclists, ANCHEER's bikes are among the best bikes on the market today. With this model, you're not sacrificing quality for the price, though. The bike is made of high-quality materials that are lightweight yet durable. It's foldable in just a few seconds, so you can easily store it away when not in use. The battery is also removable, which we like for extra safety. You can recharge it on the bike or off the bike, whichever you prefer. Coming in number 2. SWAGTRON Swagcycle EB5. SWAGTRON Swagcycle EB5 folding e-bike offers everything you could want from an electric bike with the added bonus of it being easily portable. SWAGTRON is a brand known for making some of the best-selling electric scooters and hoverboards online. With the Swagcycle EB5, they're applying their expertise to the world of electric bicycles with great effect. It's an incredibly easy bike to own, from its lightweight frame to its neutral balance, making it simple to carry up a flight of stairs. It's a great starter bike for someone branching into the electric bike world who wants something easy to maneuver and equally as easy to ride. The geometry of this bike means virtually anyone between 4 feet 10 inches and 6 feet 7 inches can ride it comfortably. It's lightweight but durable, combining a smooth and stable journey with a clever design. It can reach speeds of 15 miles per hour on battery power alone and easily packs into a compact bag. It folds up small without any exposed pieces, meaning there's no chance of accidentally smearing oil as it's transported. With most components and connections integrated into the frame, it's a great urban bike and perfect for commuting. Another bonus, the SWAGTRON Swagcycle EB5 is so compact that it comes pre-assembled. No need to figure out how to build it yourself. Unpack it and it's ready to ride right away. Coming in number 1. ANCHEER 20 miles per hour e-bike. Smooth yet powerful ride. Easy on the road yet very capable on rugged terrain. The ANCHEER 20 mph Ebike easily wins over the overall Best Electric Bike of 2020 category. The brand is rapidly becoming one of the most popular e-bike manufacturers in the world with a range of well-built and fairly priced models. We picked the ANCHEER 20 mph Ebike as our winner because of its versatility, ease of use, and affordable price. The bike comes equipped with a 350 watts high-speed brushless motor. That's more than enough power for your daily commute, a cruise on the mountain, or a meander along your favorite trail. On full e-bike mode, the motor reaches an average speed of 20 mph. You can also select an assisted mode with 4 different power options, or a normal bike mode with the electric motor fully off. A small controller on the bike's handlebar lets you easily change modes according to your needs. The ANCHEER 20 mph Ebike has a 36 volts 10.4 amp-hours lithium-ion battery attached to its frame. The battery is removable and can reach a range of up to 40 miles per charge. You can recharge the battery on or off the bike. The entire bike is made of a high-quality aluminum alloy. The frame is lightweight and easy to maneuver yet solid and durable. The rims are made of double-walled aluminum alloy to offer greater durability and a faster ride with less drag. On the front wheel, you'll find a powerful suspension fork to ensure riding comfort across all terrain.